Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Somebody sent me this file. We've been emailing back and forth all day. He can't get his Twril tool to work. First of all, if I was going to do this, I'd Control G to group them. And then I had him send me a file because I sent him, back and forth mine working. So I had him send me a file and I got the Twril tool and nothing happens, or it happens really slow. He probably doesn't think it's working just because he clicks on it and then clicks down like he used to and it doesn't move. Well, right here is your rate. He inadvertently, if you've got, one time you might make this 20 and you typed in 1 over here by accident. So you can take your slider and do whatever you want, whatever speed you want. I normally keep mine at like 50 something, but you can actually type that in and make it 60. And now watch what happens in just a second. Now, lowering it a lot of times does a lot of good because sometimes it happens so fast. If you did 100, I'm just going to click on it one time just for a split second. And it did it that fast. So I keep mine about 50, doesn't really matter, 55, and then click it and then hold down for just a second, and it's still fast. Now, one thing you can do is you can do things like that with it. I moved it too fast, so this would be one advantage of keeping it like on 10, because you could grab that and start twisting it and make some really weird shapes. I don't know what you'd ever do with that. Almost looks like a thumbprint if you could get rid of that center part. So check your rate, your speed rate. This is your size of your nib. So if we made this 10, it wouldn't fit in there. But the good thing about it, we could rotate the other direction and it will only rotate what's in the center that's inside the nib. So you could go actually backwards. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.